I just sneezed, sorry. Okay. I'm going to be mixing these limes. So I already mixed it with this. You find it in it's like $1. Okay, now I have this. I don't know how to get it out. Wait. Oh, I got it. I never even use this one. It's so. Okay. Smells like I throw up. Okay, I think I might have used this one like a long time ago. Next, I have like another one that's gonna come out like really like nicely. Okay, so that was that. I got these off of Amazon. Oh, and this one's probably not gonna come out nicely, but the last one will be like the best one. Ooh, this one's like hard. I'll just pull that out with like my fingers. This is really good. My hands are so like tacky. Ugh. Ew. Okay. No, I can't fit all of this into a slime. Oh yeah, there's so much. Okay, I pulled out the whole thing. And now we're gonna mix. Okay. I'm mixing. I'm mixing. Slime got really tacky. Also got way bigger. I had a very hard time trying to get these to come in. Very tacky. Like it started ripping. And I've done this before, and like everything got ruined. And this wasn't like my makeup pile, like, cause just I want to have like a big one, so I don't just like 2 lipsticks. I prefer that work. And I have a lot that work that are like lost, and I don't know where they went. Quarantine. Okay. My strap yesterday turned like purple, and it used to be a blue. I think we have like a little tiny another one. But, okay, yeah. I have the full bag. I'll be reviewing that in a different like time. I'm doing school at home. It's really melty, but like it's like rips. It's like sticky, but it rips. I swirled it. Pops were nice. My hands were so really, and it probably looks like nice. Like, oh my god, your hands are so nice though. It's really tacky and kind of gross. There was still lumps in there. after I mixed it for so long, but it kind of turned into like a butter. But like a thick butter slime, but like it's a butter slime, but like it's not, because it was so soft. But like I couldn't go like that. It was like, and it just felt like overactive, like butter slime, not like putty, but like it kind of have like a putty texture to it. Putty isn't that soft. So. It should be like a it should be like a new like genre of slime. Okay, I made a new genre of slime. It's like thick butter. So it's kind of like a butter slime. I swear I took this a store bought some. I just had lotion.
What are you doing, Billy?
Nothing.
What are you watching?
I'm not watching anything. I'm playing with slime. And this is a really nice slime. I really like it. I'm really enjoying this slime. I hope you enjoy this. But like, I might really just slime do the small one. This is really small at first. This is like only like this big at first. But not bigger because I added it. You can do it yourself if you want to make it better. But probably like, well, I'm done with another slime. And the slime like fully got hard. I did it on the Play-Doh slime. Butter. AKA Super Cloud, not really. Okay, so steps to making a thick butter. So, what you're going to need first is lip glosses, lip smackers, etc. Take it out, you put it in there, literally just mix it in. And then here, like a few pumps of lotion, like 1 pump of lotion, and some perfume oil, like 2 sprays. It kinda goes like that. This is really cool. I like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.